Kumshi benta banlong ki bala pen kre lada one land shop ka third wave jong uknyang COVID-19. Hine kasngi myntri ka tanah ka koit ka khiah ulali jurip ka civil hospital ha Ampati badhaga ka jing le jurip la donlang u director ka health uba Amanwar DC SP bat kiwe. Habe crunch kilar pathai khubor uba al hek ulaong. Bangimla bantip lada ka ni ka third wave kan 1 am hinre kum ka tanat ka koit ka khiah ngin persang kat bala ban pen kre knang bangin la ban pen biang ki jing sumari ki pajba
Ampati district along with DC, DHSMI, Joint Director, MHO to take a review for how we are prepared for this coming and any eventuality, any situation will come for the third wave. So from the government and the department, we should be ready. So I will request the DHSMI to little bit elaborate how we are prepared for the third wave and the situation of COVID.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we have come all the way and under your guidance and leadership, and we have had a very fruitful meeting along with the district administration under the Deputy Commissioner, Mr. Ram Krishna, and the Joint Director of Government Division, Dr. Jalunga Marak, Dr. Nongri, Joint Director, and the DMNHO, Dr. Lili Marak. So, from the discussion which we had had with all concerned, we have found that Southwest Garam Hills is one of the districts which has improved considerably from the last time when we came. Now, as we could see, that this particular district, including the hospitals, the PHCs and CHCs, are in a position to combat effectively in case there is a surge. And as of now, what we have seen is the management of the COVID situation in the district is overall, I think, exemplary. And we feel that with such preparation, we are in a position to say with confidence that any type of wave that comes, with God's help and with the hard work being put in by all concerned, will be able to tide over this crisis. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. In our district, we are having a focused approach to vaccination because vaccination is the most effective tool we have in this fight against the pandemic. Here in our district, the responsibility is divided between all the departments, and each department is given a specific responsibility in terms of creating awareness and mobilizing people. Under the leadership of the BDOs, at the block level, the mobilization is being done. The block level BDOs, Gram Sevaks and TS, they will do the mobilization of the job holders through VECs and also the market committees. Secondly, ANMs and Anganwadi workers, they focus on women with children less than 5 years of age. They go create awareness and answer their questions regarding vaccine hesitancy, and then they will mobilize those sections of the people. Similarly, from MSLRLS, we are approaching the NGO SHGs, and SHGs are mobilized